and welcome to Daily Inspirations. I am Michelle Dawn, and today is Jane's Agenda Unboxing Day. And we have the November box is here already, and it is only not even mid October, and I'm so excited. I do know what the hero item is, which is the big item in the box, and I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Okay. I am an affiliate with Jane's Agenda, so if you do shop Jane's Agenda, I would appreciate if you use my link in the description below. And you can also use my link to subscribe. So that's exciting. And if you use it for the first time, you can get 15% off of your entire order, not including subscriptions. All right, friends, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, I'm not even going to be able to open the box. Okay, so first of all, this box is huge. Let me show you here. They 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 made my box very dirty. Well, I don't know that they did it. I'm staying in the desert, and it's dirt out here, lots and lots of sand and dirt. Isn't this box beautiful? It's very wide. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to open sideways here. Oh, this tissue paper is so much prettier than I expected. I did see uh, uh, a sneak. I saw a peek at the tissue paper, and it looked a lot lighter. The stripes. Okay, this says November 2025, and this is number 63. Dear subscriber, this November, embrace the season of gratitude and gathering with a collection designed to keep you organized through every detail. Inside your box, you'll find inserts for meal planning, grocery lists, and event preparation, perfect for coordinating holiday dinners, family celebrations, or everyday meals with ease. Warm, excuse me, I skipped a line. Warm florals, rich tones, and autumn scenes set the mood, reminding you to savor the season while staying focused and prepared. It's the perfect mix of organization and inspiration to carry you through fall and into the festive months ahead. Oh, I'm excited. All right, so first of all, I'm a little shaky. I'm having a little bit of a reaction. I don't even know to what. Um, I apologize for that in advance. I'm also stuttery and having a little trouble with words. So I'm going to flip this over for those of you who want to see the list of things and picture of things in the box. I'm going to close my eyes. All right. Now we'll just take everything out of the box. All right, you all know what I'm going to open first. So I am going to set this on top. Oh no, I didn't want to see that yet. And slide it over here. This is a disc holder, my friends. It's vegan leather. It is the chocolate Saffiano. Chocolate is the color, Saffiano is the texture of the material of the vegan leather. And it is going to look gorgeous next to the planner train case. Let me All right, I'm bringing this over just for a quick look. See, they match. They're both that chocolate Saffiano vegan leather. Because the sun is, the light hits it at a different, I'm not sure that you can tell that it's yeah, there you go. Now you can tell it's the same. I love this case so much. It's I literally use it every day. And then we have a gold clasp. Ooh, Jane's Agenda. That's debossed here. Oh, that's nice. And oh, wow. Okay, so this ribbon holds it, keeps it from like the lid from falling back, right? That is garbage. And these, oh my goodness, this is so soft, like velvet. Okay, these pockets are big enough for discs. They are, I believe 2 by 2 squares, and they hold up to 11 discs of the 2-inch size, and these even come out. Oh, I want to say she said, "Don't try to take those out because you'll break it." I think that's true. I think that's the truth. So these two stay in, but you can fit, you can just pile all your discs in there, or have them all in a row, or put glasses or watches. And the watches actually, the watches fit with things in as well. But I am going to be using mine for discs, enamel pins and magnets, and so your watch can fit right in here too. You can have it however it fits best for you, or however you like it. But my watch is on me at all times unless it's plugged in. I use it for health tracking purposes. And my glasses actually live in my Jane's Agenda glasses case. Do you remember this? This is from a long time ago too. This is so beautiful. The ribbon and the felt or velvet, or I don't know, it's gorgeous and it's beautiful and soft. And the clear top lets you see inside all of your beautiful things. This is the bottom, the side, the back. Oh, so gorgeous. I will have a video coming soon of how I'm packing this, what I'm doing with it. I'm excited to share how it turns out. We have the little accessory pack with cards, autumn leaves, and pumpkins, please. That's cute. There is always something to be thankful for. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. And the thank you card is a November calendar with pumpkins around the edges. So pretty. Next is the page finder. This is so pretty. This is plastic, and so it's going to have the film on the back. And this is the front. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Got white paper here to show you. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at those colors. That is stunning. Here's the shade and in the sun. Gorgeous. My sunlight isn't as intense as it was the other day, so should be able to see things a little bit better. Next is dashboards. Look, home. Noun, a place where you are always welcome and surrounded by those who love you. Feeling of belonging. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. They say home is where the heart is, right? And it's where you are. So this definition is where you're welcome and loved and feeling of belonging. All right, that's the vellum dashboard. Show you on white. And it is a, what is that color called? Not burgundy. Wine, like a deep wine color. And this one, oh wow, look at that. It's like you can see the sun actually coming down. So beautiful. Double-sided. So same thing on front and back. This one, oh, it's like up north. I'm originally from Michigan, and up north meant camping. Oh, I love it. Those trees are beautiful. We don't have those here where I stay most of the time in the desert. Oh, I forgot to show you. Both sides. And this one, oh wow. You know, I don't remember seeing these. Did I miss a live or is that just my brain again? You could see the sun again through the, man, that's just beautiful. They're white birch trees. Look. Those are my favorite. My favorite trees. I should say my favorite tree trunks. Oh, both sides. Did I show you that? The next one here is, oh, I didn't show you what the vellum looks like on these guys. Seriously. Okay, so that, oh, look at that. That's so pretty. That's so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. I love that. Oh, that's pretty too. And it says home and there's little houses. Cabins. A cabin and a house. I don't know. I guess cabins are houses, right? And this one, which was that. Oh my gosh. Every month, every single month, everything is beautiful and it's hard to decide what I'm going to do with which pieces because everything's just gorgeous. And somehow every month is my favorite. Somehow every month is my favorite. Okay, next we have a weekly meal planning insert. I do not meal plan. I don't eat much meals. I don't eat many meals. Like I eat fruit and nuts. And so there's not much to planning that. I just measure out a serving size and eat it and then go on with my day. The only planning I do is I'm running low on this particular thing. Need more. Anyway, this is Monday through Sunday on this side over here. And let me get closer for you. Monday through Sunday. And then here we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This would be the dates. So I don't even know the dates today or this week. It was October, let's say the 5th through the 12th, because I think that's what it is. And then the back is your grocery list. Oh, okay. So you have your whole plan and then your list for what you need for the plan. And those are in categories, but not pre-filled out. And they have check boxes, so you can check them off. Produce, frozen, meats, bakery, dairy, dry / pantry, and other. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maybe I miscounted. There's either 12 or 13 pages in this packet. So that's like 3 whole months of meal planning. Oh, holiday meal planning. Okay. So this will be for your holiday meals. I don't plan holiday meals because I don't have people over. So I live in my van. Okay, so can you imagine me trying to cook a holiday meal and serve people in this tiny, tiny home I have? All right, this is holiday meal planning. There's an overview page, holiday meal planning overview, occasion, date, time, theme, appetizers, main course, sides, desserts, beverages, notes, guest list, reserved, dietary restrictions, quantity expected. There's 2, 4 holiday spots, sections, a note page here, recipe pages, whole bunches. You can make whole bunches. You can make a whole bunch of recipes. So we have recipe, prep time, cook time, servings, cooking temperature, ingredients, instructions, and dietary notes, restrictions, substitutions. This side is special notes with lines. And there are quite a few pages. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 big recipes. Groceries, refrigerated produce, frozen meats and deli, bakery, prepackaged beverages, paper products, and then 1 to make your own. Groceries, we had, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 grocery lists, holiday menu planner, occasion, guest count, date, time, appetizers, main course, side dishes, desserts, beverages, other, dietary restrictions and preferences, cooking timeline. Yes, I was looking at this when I filmed my giveaway video. I have a packet like this in the giveaway. Maybe it came in my mystery box, but anyway, I don't plan meals, so I'm giving it away. I'll give this one away as well, but not in that giveaway because there's already one in there. Cooking timeline, I thought was an ingenious idea because different things take different amounts of time and have to go in the oven at different times and different temps and etc. So if you're making a turkey and mashed potatoes, the turkey has to go in way before you start the mashed potatoes. Does that make sense? So anyway, prep time, cook time, start time, and ready time. I thought that was a really good idea. And then special notes here on the bottom half. And that was the back page of the holiday menu planner. Oh my gosh, I can't stop yawning. I'm so sorry. That's so rude. There are 4 pages, 4 sheets of that. So that's our other insert. And then we have our cover set. Okay, we have the dashboards that came in the cover club and deluxe box, and then the actual cover, planner cover. Um, just to confuse you a little more. Just kidding. Hopefully to clarify things. Everything you have seen so far is from the planner lifestyle subscription box and the deluxe box, because the deluxe box is both the monthly cover club and lifestyle subscription box together. So the disc holder, the inserts, the dashboards, and the accessory pack, they are all from the planner lifestyle subscription box. I get mine in junior size, which is 8 discs. And then the cover club are these 3 items: the page finder, the cover, either plastic or laminated usually, and a dashboard set. So I'll show you that. I'll show you the cover first, and then we can see what the dashboards look like behind it. All right, this one is a plastic cover. So both of them, both the front and back, need to have the plastic film removed. Oh man, this is so pretty. All right, against white. Let me show you the front. Oh my gosh, this Saffiano, not Saffiano, what is this called? Saffron, that we got in the July box. I believe it was the July box. Looks so amazing with these flowers. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am most likely going to switch this cover to these discs once I am done using it in my planner for November, because look, this is what I have in there now, which also goes really well. The September box. I have the September box on this cover right now. Oh, I wanted to continue showing you. Okay, so this is the back cover against white. Now, you can flip the cover over and use this as your front. Okay. Some people have like me, I have a wraparound, vegan leather wraparound cover from Jane's Agenda. So I slide the back cover into the pocket so you don't see it. So I use a clear one that has no print on it. And then I could use this one as a cover of another notebook, or I usually tuck it in. All right, this is my October setup, and I have the back cover that came with this box in this side pocket here, so I can see it all the time. Isn't that pretty? So that's what you can do with that. Did I show you this one on white yet? You can see the flowers. So pretty. And then let's see what it looks like with the vellums. I mean, not vellums, dashboards. Cat hair and sand and dirt everywhere all the time. You would not even believe how much I dust and vacuum. And I even have to vacuum my bed every day, which is so bizarre. Okay, this, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I love the kitty. I love her so much. Okay, now you can see. Oh no, I'm knocking things down. I lost one of the cards back there in my desk. I'm not going to be able to get it before the end of the video. I apologize for that. But all right, so this is the cover set. They are two-sided, which to me means that there is a different image on each side, as opposed to double-sided, which to me means it's doubled. Like the image is doubled. It's the same on both sides. Okay. Anyway, this beautiful cat by the barn can be your cover. Like, okay, so that's front and back, right? And that would, oh, that's so pretty. All right, so this would end up being the inside, or you can flip it. Sorry, technical difficulties. Flip it and have this be your front and back. Ta-da! And that would be the inside. Now, that means it would look like this. On this, oh, look, you can see the little house. It's not a little house, it's a giant farmhouse. But you can see it back there, peeking out by the flowers and the beautiful sky and the field. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. And then this is the look with the cat. Hi, kitty. Oh, kitty. Beautiful. And then this is what it would look like if you did the back cover as your cover. I think it'll look really nice with this one. Oh yeah, that's cool. I like that a lot. All right, now let me put inserts in there so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Oh wow. That's beautiful. So this is what it would look like if you had this on the front, and then this rear, and then this, and then your inserts, and then your back. Cover. Ta-da! Okay. Now let's see what these covers look like with the other cardstock dashboards from the lifestyle planner lifestyle subscription portion. Oh wait, I want to see what this vellum looks like on these as well. Oh, that's pretty. And then this one, ooh, I love that one. Ooh, I love that one a lot. Decisions. All right, now let's check out the cover. I would like to see what the cover looks like with this combination here. Oh my gosh. I knew that was going to be beautiful. Oh, oh, I love that. I love that so much. Okay, now let's see what these dashboards look like behind the cover. Oh, more cat hair. Oh, wow. That's a whole vibe right there. Look at that. Ooh, it's very moody. It's moody like me. I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Okay. And this one. Oh, that's pretty. Up North vibes again. And then this one. Oh, man. That's really pretty too. Okay. So I think my favorite might be this one or this one for the cover. This one or the, oh man, I don't know, those moody vibes are getting me. But my October planner setup is kind of moody, so maybe I'll go with more more I don't know. I don't consider moody to be unhappy, but my brain wants to say more happy vibes. I'm not sure. Lighter vibes. How about that? Lighter instead of dark and moody. All right, that is everything in this beautiful box. I'm very, 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 very happy. I'm so excited about these flowers. And I am excited about my giveaway. So if you have not yet gone to Instagram and entered that giveaway, please do so. Run right now at Daily Inspirations on Instagram and enter the giveaway. I have a video posted right before this one that explains what's in the giveaway. And yeah, don't forget to enter. So I'm really excited to show my appreciation to all my amazing subscribers. I love you so much. Don't forget about the hero item. This thing is gorgeous. And possibly the next video, and a video coming very soon, will be packing this beautiful disc holder. Alrighty, my friends. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and leaving a comment. If you'd like to see more of Daily Inspirations, please subscribe. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And as always, stay inspired. I love y'all. Bye.